if you think the economy is bad and you've thought that since 2022, I can guarantee I can find you 10 data points that will confirm exactly what you're saying. Because if you have 150 data points to choose from, there, excuse me, there's no world where all 150 data points are unambiguously pointing bullish. So I feel like that has become a real issue in the last few years, especially because now there's a big market of private data as well. So not only do you have like CPI, headline CPI, core PCE, headline PCE, you have Trueflation, super core, services X shelter. You can basically start slicing and dicing all these things until you just get whatever answer you want. So there's a couple of things. One, I think, is just not to be dogmatic. Like, I think there's a whole industry, and I don't think it's necessarily people doing it on purpose, but I think people understand the incentives that if you publish bear stuff, people love it. And if you publish optimistic stuff, you don't get as many clicks, you don't get as many subscribers. And and that's an empirical fact that, human beings respond to negative news and buy negative. Like if they do an A/B test of two magazines and one cover is positive and one's negative, the negative one sells more. So like people want to hear negative stuff all the time. And so I think that's probably the biggest bias in finance is the financial media, the mainstream media, individuals, Twitter, wherever you go, there's just way more negativity. And then that creates, a lot of people being underweight stocks when stocks are going to all-time highs and all that kind of thing.